Every great dream starts with something small. Here is the story of Maya, a young girl who always loved the smell of fresh bread. After years of working in a crowded cafe, she dreamed of owning her own bakery, a place where people could feel at home with every bite. But she had no money for a big shop or shiny ovens. So she started small. From her tiny kitchen, Maya baked just 3 things: sourdough bread, chocolate chip cookies, and cinnamon rolls. She sold them at the local farmers market every Saturday, greeting customers with a warm smile. At first, only a handful of people bought from her. Some days, she came home with leftovers. But Maya kept going. She listened to feedback, improved her recipes, and stayed consistent. Slowly, word spread. Her bread was the softest, her rolls the sweetest. Months later, her little stall had lines of people waiting. With the savings she earned, Maya rented a small corner shop. She painted it herself, hung a simple sign: Maya's Bakery. The shelves filled with bread, pastries, and new creations. Years passed, and what started as a dream in a tiny kitchen grew into a well-loved bakery in the heart of town. People traveled miles just to taste her bread. The moral lesson. The story of Maya's Bakery teaches us an important truth about life. Big dreams don't have to start big. Many people hold themselves back because they believe they need lots of money, resources, or perfect timing before chasing what they want. But Maya's journey shows us that even the grandest dreams can begin with something as small as a single loaf of bread baked in a home kitchen. Her success wasn't built overnight. It grew from patience, persistence, and the courage to begin where she was, with what she had. By starting small, she learned, improved, and earned the trust of her customers. Instead of being discouraged by slow beginnings, she treated them as stepping stones. The moral of the story is that every great achievement starts with small, consistent efforts. Dreaming big gives direction and purpose, but taking small, steady steps brings those dreams to life. Just as a bakery starts with one oven and one recipe, our goals grow when we nurture them with effort, faith, and resilience. This story reminds us, don't wait for the perfect conditions to follow your dream. Begin today, even if your start feels small or imperfect. Over time, those little steps add up to something greater than you ever imagined. Maya's story became a reminder to everyone. Dream big, start small, but most importantly, start. If you are new here, consider subscribing for more video every day.